Je suis Andrew Phillips.
Je suis.
I'm not supposed to clap yet.
This is Paris in New York. Are you an artist or just enjoy looking or living with beautiful art? Well, here's a gallery wall just for you to display everything that makes you smile. With ceilings that soar at almost 10 feet tall, this home has got it all.
Located at 117 West 96th Street, a block and a half from Central Park, Residence number 5 was originally built as a turn-of-the-century 3-bedroom and is now set up as a floor-through, loft-like 2-bedroom, 1-bath. With a massive eat-in kitchen. It has oversized tall windows, exposed brick. You can even add a half bath with board approval. And this 5-room is only 2 flights up with a high-tech virtual doorman system connected to your phone.
You are literally moving into the most convenient location on the West Side. Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, and a fresh farmer's market on Fridays. Plus the 2 and 3 express train and B&C are right down the block, even the crosstown bus too.
Are you a chef or perhaps a baker? This home has a massive windowed eat-in kitchen big enough for a party with 2 brand new stainless steel appliances. Great as is, or
this turn-of-the-century floor-through is waiting for you to enjoy its sunny, south, oversized windows in the living room facing the tree-lined street. Incredibly located at the beautiful tree level view with Parisian loft feel with bedrooms that are pin-drop quiet. Pardon, if you're dreaming of living near Central Park, it's just a block and a half away with 843 acres of nature with trees, gardens, hiking, the reservoir, even tennis courts and pickleball too.
do you adore a stroll by the River Seine? This is New York. We have it all. So if you want more water to gaze at than the reservoir, just a few blocks west are 4 miles of waterfront on the Hudson River.
Residence 5 even has a private washer-dryer. Pets are allowed, and incredibly, storage at no additional fee located on the lower level will transfer at closing. Andrew, I was thinking something like this. What do you think?
I don't know, Amelia. I was thinking more like this. But the good news is, you really can have it all. If you'd like a private tour of 117 West 96th Street, apartment 5,
Give us a call or send us an email.
Je suis Andrew Phillips.
Je suis Amelia Gewirtz.
And
we're
we're
at Brown Harris Stevens. Très bien.
Très bien.
Très bien.